What is the capital of Madhya Pradesh? The correct answer is Bhopal. Who was the first Indian woman to climb Mount Everest? The correct answer is Bachendri Pal. Which is the largest union territory of India by area? The correct answer is Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Who is known as the Iron Lady of India? The correct answer is Indira Gandhi. Which Indian state is known for its Varli painting? The correct answer is Maharashtra. What is the main crop grown in the state of Punjab? The correct answer is wheat. Who was the first Indian woman to win an Olympic medal? The correct answer is Karnam Malleshwari. Which river flows through the state of Jammu and Kashmir? The correct answer is Jhelum. Who founded the Maurya Empire in ancient India? The correct answer is Chandragupta Maurya. Which state in India is known as the land of kings? The correct answer is Rajasthan. Who composed the song Vande Mataram? The correct answer is Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. What is the traditional dance form of Tamil Nadu? The correct answer is Bharatnatyam. Who is known as the father of the Indian Constitution? The correct answer is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Which city is known as the City of Lakes in India? The correct answer is Udaipur. What is the capital of Bihar? The correct answer is Patna. Who was the first Indian to receive the Nobel Prize in Literature? The correct answer is Rabindranath Tagore. Which Indian state is famous for its Ajanta and Ellora caves? The correct answer is Maharashtra. What is the traditional dress of men in West Bengal? The correct answer is dhoti. Who wrote the book Discovery of India? The correct answer is Jawaharlal Nehru. Which is the smallest river in India? The correct answer is Armuri. What is the capital of Kerala? The correct answer is Thiruvananthapuram. Who is known as the Nightingale of India? The correct answer is Sarojini Naidu. Which Indian state is known for its bamboo handicrafts? The correct answer is Assam. Who was the first Vice President of India? The correct answer is Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. Which state is known as the Spice Garden of India? The correct answer is Kerala. What is the main language spoken in the state of Karnataka? The correct answer is Kannada. Who was the first Indian to win a Nobel Prize in Physics? The correct answer is C.V. Raman. Which state is famous for the Sundarbans? The correct answer is West Bengal. Who was the first woman to become the Chief Minister of an Indian state? The correct answer is Suchita Kripalani. What is the capital of Odisha? The correct answer is Bhubaneswar. Who is author of the book The God of Small Things? The correct answer is Arundhati Roy. Which Indian state is famous for its classical dance form Odissi? The correct answer is Odisha. Who is known as the Night Angel of India? The correct answer is Sarojini Naidu. What is the capital of Telangana? The correct answer is Hyderabad. Which Indian state is known for its tea gardens in Darjeeling? The correct answer is West Bengal. Who was the first Indian woman to become a pilot? The correct answer is Sarla Thakral. What is the traditional dance form of Andhra Pradesh? The correct answer is Kuchipudi. Who wrote the book My Experiments with Truth? The correct answer is Mahatma Gandhi. What is the capital of Himachal Pradesh? The correct answer is Shimla. Which Indian state is known as the land of dawn-lit mountains? The correct answer is Arunachal Pradesh. Who is known as the Flying Sikh of India? The correct answer is Milkha Singh. Which river is known as the Sorrow of Bengal? The correct answer is Damodar. What is the main language spoken in the state of Tamil Nadu? The correct answer is Tamil. Who was the first Indian to win the Booker Prize? The correct answer is Arundhati Roy. Which Indian state is known for its Kathak dance? The correct answer is Uttar Pradesh. What is the capital of Chhattisgarh? The correct answer is Raipur. Who is the author of the book Train to Pakistan? The correct answer is Kushwant Singh. Which Indian state is famous for the temple city of Bhubaneswar? The correct answer is Odisha. Who is known as the Missile Man of India? The correct answer is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. What is the primary language spoken in the state of Maharashtra? The correct answer is Marathi.